invite our special guest, Sister Manju Lakra, President, St. Raphael's Academy, to encourage our students through her motivational words.
Today's chief guest, Mr. Virendra Joshi, Mr. Suresh Nair, Principal, Sister Rose Anthony, dear sisters, guests. Today, without taking much time, I would like to say and appreciate our dynamic and vibrant Principal, Sister Rose, for her motivating and guiding, and teachers as well who have worked very hard, and students who have learned to cooperate with each other, to learn from teachers and others as well. I quote here the words of Vivekananda: education that builds character, increases strength of mind, expands intellect, and helps a person to stand on his or her feet.
It's time again to felicitate our winners. May I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Virendra Joshi, to do the honors.
We have the results of balancing the ball race. The first position, we have Yellow House, Arna Jain, Malak Swami and Vanshrat Jat. Second position, Green House, Marvin Patel, Saksham Sharma and Alia Khan. Third position, Orange House, Vedant Pandey, Dhanishtha Bopche and Manas Deshpande. We have the results of the balancing the ball race. First position, Yellow House, second, Green House and third, Orange House. Congratulations winners, and let's hear it for the winners. Thank you, sir. Next, we have the results of Tora Tora. First position, Green House, Aryan Dwivedi. Second, Blue House, Aryan Gautam. Third, Yellow House. Third is a tie. We have got Yellow House as well as Orange House. Riya Nepwani from Yellow House and Rossi Jain, Orange House. The winners of Tora Tora, Aryan Gautam, Blue House, second position, Aryan Dwivedi, Green House, first position, and the third position is backed by both the participants from Orange and Yellow House. Thank you, sir. Next we have the results of footprint race. First position, Orange House, Uday God and Adricha Chopra. Second, Green House, Arjav Jain, Saransh Gupta. Third, Yellow House, Daksh Geete and Afreen Khan. Footprint race, the winners are first, Orange House, second, Green House and third, Yellow House. Well done winners. Let's put our hands together once again for our winners. Thank you, sir. Of relay race, 2 into 100. The 2 into 100 relay. First position, Greenhouse, Manansh Joshi and Soumya Pardeshi. Second, Yellow House, Paras Agrawal and Shreya Solia. Third, Orange House, Harsh Gangwani and Toshan Solani. The winners of 2 into 200 relay. First, Greenhouse, second, Yellow House and third, Orange House. Once again, let's give them a big hand. Thank you, sir. Next, we have the results of the last event, that is the 4 into 400 meters relay. The first position, Yellow House, Shivang Tiwari. First position, Yellow House, Shivang Tiwari, Kush Patak, Kripa Namnani and Rimsha Jain. Second position, Suhani Soni, Harshit Khurana, Yashita Tiwari and Varun Sharma. Third position, Navya Podwal, Rakshita Upadhyay, Shreyan Singh Badodia and Divyansh Nirala, Greenhouse. Let's put our hands together for the winners. Those are the winners of 4 into 100 meters relay. The first position, Yellow House, second, Orange House, third, Green House. The final results of the track events, 4 into 400 meters relay. Blue House, Dhananjay Singh Thakur, Raghav Agrawal, Parth Dubey and Rishi Jain. Green House, second position, backed by Jia Jetwa, Suyash Parashar, Daksh Jat and Yash Budana. The third position, Orange House, Meghna Chauhan, Aftab Patel, Tanishq Pandey and Daksh Bhatnagar. The 4 into 400 meter relay, the results, first position, Blue House, second, Green House and third, Yellow House. Let's have it once again for our winners. That is the Orange House. I beg your pardon. First, Blue House, second, Green House, third, Orange House. Thank you, sir.
Combined with the colorful costumes and shifting geometrical designs will lead you to believe that you are surrounded by a garden of flowers. Yes, it's the time for a long-awaited performance of the event. The students of Class 5 presenting before you the Korean fan dance. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
was an enchanting performance.
In thanking our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Virendra Joshi, for accepting our invitation. We are indeed grateful for the gift of your time and honored your presence. A heartfelt thanks to our guest of honor, Mr. Suresh Nair, for adding an extra spark to the event by your benign presence. A sincere thanks to Sister Manju Lakra, the president of our school, for gracing this occasion. A special thanks to our supportive parents for your valuable presence in rendering immense support, love, and care at all times. Parents are very special, and your support means everything to us. Just as sailing helped the boat to go in the right direction, so is the guidance of our principal, Sister Rose Anthony. Thank you, sister, for your guidance and motivation for making Reflompic possible. Special thanks to Sister Deepa, Sister Anita, and Sister Anima for coordinating and ensuring a smooth implementation. Special thanks to Sister Jancy, Principal St. Raphael School, Campus 1, for assisting us in different ways. Thank you, Dominic Sir, for your technical assistance. A big thanks to Brown Sir and his team who has put in all their efforts in planning, designing, and making this rocky ground smooth and usable one. From the depth of my heart, I express thanks to all our teaching and non-teaching staff for putting in extra efforts and energy in ensuring coordination among students and for ensuring that every performance is to its perfection. A special thanks to our dance teacher, Mrs. Sapna Vyas, for having choreographed in a meticulous way. We also express thanks to Anurag Sir and Edu Sports team for continuous support. Thanks to all our supporting staff who are always ready to support us with ever-ready attitude. Last but not the least, a heartfelt thanks to all the students who put in their best with their team spirit and made this day look so beautiful with their cheerful smiles. Warm thanks to all the student volunteers who took full responsibility and helped with utmost sincerity. Once again, I thank each and everyone present here for your help and tireless effort in making this function a grand success. I now request all to kindly rise for the national anthem.